Howdy everybody. Today I want to show you real quick how to set up your print to cut calibration for your Explorer or Explorer Air. I haven't done this on my Explorer Air yet, so we're going to do it together. Basically, you're going to log in to Design Space, and on the little drop down menu over here, you're going to click on calibration. To start the calibration, you want to just use your regular printer paper. Don't use your good paper, and don't use your expensive vinyl. Just regular sheet of paper will work just fine. And so click continue, and it's going to print this piece of paper here. So you're going to want to make sure your printer's on before you hit continue, but this is the piece of paper we're going to put on our mat to calibrate our machine. Well, we don't care about that. So it's going to bring up your print window. Okay. And we're just going to click print. And while it's printing, it's looking for my machine here. You probably hear my printer in the background. I'm going to select my Explorer Air, because that's the machine I'm going to want to set this up on. Okay, so it has printed my piece of paper. I'm going to stick this down on my cutting mat. Then I'm going to grab my iPad, and I'm going to go over to the Explorer machine. So here we go. Okay, so here is my piece that cut. You're going to put it in the upper left corner. Try not to smear your ink if it's still wet. And you're going to want your computer near your machine, because you're going to have to answer some questions as this goes. So I'm going to stick it in and hit load. And then it's going to prompt me to start cutting. You're going to notice the light comes on, or it's supposed to come on. It will. And that's what's reading these tick marks. It's going to tell it where it needs to cut. You want to be as specific on these questions as possible, because this is what's going to enable you to have a really precise cut when you use the print to cut feature. Okay, now without removing your machine, it'll tell you there. Without unloading the mat, take a look at the cut lines around the small square in the middle, and does the line touch the printed line all the way around? Good. So we're going to look, and yeah, it looks pretty good to me. It's kind of hard to see. I'm standing in the light. Yeah, looks good to me. So then I'm going to find my mouse, and I'm going to click on yes. And then it says, we're getting close. Now let's fine tune the calibration so your cuts can be perfect. Click on the continue button to perform the calibration cuts. So you just click continue on your computer, and it's going to go again. Okay, now we come back and it says, without unloading the mat, take a look at the lines on the top and right of the test page. From the top, select the number where the cut is centered on the printed line. If no cut is centered, pick the one that is closest. Do the same for the letters down on the right side. So if we look here, I'm thinking, I gotta come to this side. Oh, I can't because it's dark. I'm thinking number 9, and I need more light. That didn't help me. And, oh, I can't see. Sucks being blind. But I'm going to go with L. I don't know if you can see it right there. So I'm going to say number 9 and L. So number 9. And L. And then we hit continue. It's going to start again. And now it says you may pull the test page from the mat. Are you happy with your cut? So, if I take this off, yeah, I have to say I'm pretty happy with that. It looks pretty good to me. The only thing is I may want to calibrate it again on this side. Maybe 9 wasn't my best choice. But you can run this as many times as you want. So that is it. That's calibration. You just run it until you get the cuts that you're happy with, and then you're ready to go. Get some printable vinyl, some regular paper, whatever it is you want to do, and go for it. And if you have any questions, reach me on the Facebook group. Oh, we're not done. I lied. I clicked yes, and it says, great news, you're almost done. Click continue to go to the final calibration screen. Click save and close button. You'll be able to continue cutting the pages you have already printed. So there you go. That's it. You're done. And if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Ooh, don't look at my mess. And have a great evening. Thanks for watching.